What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys a quick, simple, insanely easy and simple price action trading strategy that you can use that's just going to completely change the way you trade. Because if you understand how the strategy works, it can literally change the way you trade, no doubt, hands down. So it's a simple price action trading strategy that I'll be teaching you guys in this video. It works on every single currency pair. It works on gold, it works on stocks, it works on futures, it works on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all this good stuff. It works on like currency, like I said, it works on EU, it works on UJ, it works on GJ, it works on gold, it works on every single currency pair. So let me just show you guys how the strategy really works. It's really easy, so I'll be going through it really fast. So guys, before I continue this video, only a small percentage of you guys who watch these videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe. You can always change your mind later if you decide to. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and leave a comment on which video you want to see next, and I'll make sure to make that video for you. And let's get started. This price action trading strategy is really easy. Like when I mean it's really easy, it's really easy. But like they say, no strategy works 100% of the time, guys. So you need to, of course, you need to have your risk management in place so you don't go taking this trade seriously, because no strategy works 100% of the time. So you need to understand that. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to add is on your chart is the 200 exponential moving average line, guys. As you can see at this point, the market broke out. The market was quite in a down, it wasn't a downtrend, as you can see at this point. Then the market broke out and clearly became an uptrend. So what am I looking for, guys? I'm looking for a break and retest. A break and retest is also a price action trading strategy, but how do you enter into this trade? Like, what is your entry criteria, guys? This will be a very insanely profitable sniper entry. So guys, my own favorite entry strategy is I like to wait for a break and retest, and I like to wait for an engulfing candlestick. So you need to understand that you need multiple criteria when you're taking a trade. So when I mean criteria, I mean smashing the like button on this video to make this video rank so more people can see it, and sharing this video will make more people profitable. And I don't just know what I'm saying right now. So like I said, jokes apart, guys, you bring out your rectangle tool after a break out of the 200 EMA line. Then you can see that this market made a new high at this point, and the markets came down, making a lower high. Sorry, a higher low. This is a high, but a low in the highs. So market went up and came back down to this point. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at an engulfing candlestick at this point. So I want to draw my line. This is for those that don't understand what I meant by a break and retest. So you see this market broke out from this point, went up, made a new low here, and went up again and came back to retest. And the retesting, you can see there's an engulfing candlestick. I always talk about an engulfing candlestick. This is an engulfing candlestick. So what am I looking for, guys? I'm looking for an entry on this engulfing candlestick. So what is my entry? I always talk about using the ATR, but I won't put that on this chart. I will make a new video. After this video, I'll make a new video showing you guys how to use the ATR for this strategy. This exact strategy will be a new video showing you guys how to use the ATR. So for this video, I will not show you guys the ATR value of this, but so you want to take a trade at this point, right at the engulfing candlestick. You get on your trade, stops just below this previous lows here. So my stops will be just there. That's too small, I'm not gonna lie, just there. Yeah, so that should be your take profit, guys. Your take profit should be this previous highs. As you can see, this previous highs at this point, which is a 1 to 1.3, but I usually like to take a 1 to 1.5. So as you can see, guys, this is a 1 to 1.5, which is a beautiful risk to reward ratio. Or use a 1 to 1. I like to use a 1 to 2 ratio, a 1 to 1.5. But because most traders I don't know if they like to wait that long. Like if you can wait that long for a 1 to 2, Of course, a 1.5 will get hit more often than a 1 to 2. So it depends on your own endurance level, seeing your profits go up and down. But I would recommend a 1 to 2. Do your own due diligence, trade at your own risk. I am not a professional trader. I have never claimed to be a professional trader, so trade at your own risk, guys. I like to take a 2 hour. You can take a 1 hour. You can take a 2 hour. You can take a 1.5. You can take a 5 hour. You can take a 10 hour. You can take a 50 hour. It all depends on what you want, guys. So that's one. So let's wait. Let me show you guys a different entry. So guys, you can see at this point, at this high, you can see this new high, this one, and you can see the market actually broke out from that and came. You see the market broke out, came back and retested. There's no engulfing candlestick at this point. This is where I saw the engulfing candlestick took place. So guys, this is where I saw the engulfing candlestick. As you can see, this is the engulfing candlestick at this point. So I'm looking to get in on the trade for a buy. And let me mention this really quick, guys. Whenever the price is above the 200 EMA line, you are looking to take only buy trades, only bullish trades. I mean, only buy. What am I saying? I want you guys to take a trade on buying, like they say, trade with the trend. Trading with the 200 EMA line is trading with the trend. So if you're selling above the 200 EMA line, you're going against the trend, which is dangerous. All right, so you need to trade with the trend, which is trading above the 200 EMA line, which means buying when you see a buying opportunity and not selling when you see a selling opportunity. So my stops will be just below this engulfing candlestick. The target will be just above this point, and our risk to reward ratio is, you can see, 1.5, or a 2 hour if you want to. You can see 2 hour. You can see that a 2 hour. So it's like, if you took this trade, guys, look at this. This is, well, I don't know what to call this, but this is not actually, this is in hindsight, but trading like this is going to change the way you trade, because you're waiting for price action, which is an engulfing candlestick, which is an engulfing candlestick is actually one of the best, I mean, one of the best price action trading pattern out there I've ever seen, guys. Since when I started trading in the forex market, I've been trading the engulfing candlestick for a very, very long time. I've traded different types of price action patterns, uh, which didn't have that much win rate as an engulfing candlestick had. So if an engulfing candlestick has proven to work, and I see no reason why I shouldn't trade it more often. So so you guys need to understand that an engulfing candlestick is actually really, really powerful, and it's one of the best price action trading strategy you can ever find. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a quick short video. This is a quick video. I just said, okay, let me share with you guys how I trade price action, and how I trading price action can literally change the way you trade. That is not, I don't mean that trading with indicators is bad. As you can see, I used the 200 EMA line and I used the ATL to calculate my stops. So I'm not saying the 200, I'm not saying that indicators are actually bad. I'm only saying that this is how I trade price action: break and retest, and an engulfing candlestick, and 200 EMA line to confirm the trading direction. Like you can see, the 200 EMA line is showing us, okay, this time is the time to buy the market, not the time to sell. So it gives us a bias in the market that, okay, we are looking to buy this market at this point in time. We don't want to take any selling trades or whatever, so we're only looking to buy. So guys, watch the next video. It's gonna be how to use the ATR like a professional. So this is just a quick price action trading strategy video showing you guys how to use the price action, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, smash the likes. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please have a wonderful, blessed day. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Peace.